These are my birds. I had people ask me if I was a beaver because of them, saying I'd probably nod at the wood. But I didn't make these. I got them from my best friend. It was when we were getting a toaster oven and a microwave, when her grandfather was moving out of house because he was sick and then gonna go into hospice. He was crushed by a dresser, an armoire, died the next day. But when I saw these birds, I knew that I needed them, and I looked at her. She said I could have them, but if someone went asking, then they weren't mine to take. I haven't named them. It's just my parrot statue. It's just that when I saw it, I knew that I would have it for the rest of my life. And when I added these lights, I knew I could stare at it for hours. I've always had a friend in beauty, if nothing else.